Hello all. Today's topic is consume safe and clean food on account of World Food Safety Day. Consumption of safe and hygienic food is essential for maintaining good health. Environmental contaminants and adulterants in food are health hazards. Consumption of unsafe food can lead to foodborne illnesses, intestinal damage, as well as undernutrition. What makes food unsafe? Safety of foods can be compromised due to microbial contamination, chemical contamination, and adulteration. Natural enzymes present in food also lead to its deterioration over time. Besides, insects, rodents, adulterants, natural toxins, and various chemical residues present beyond permissible levels make the food unsafe. In addition, moisture present in the food and some environmental conditions like humidity, temperature, storage time also influence the quality of the food. Microbial contamination, bacterial, viral, fungal and protozoan can occur due to unhygienic practices. Chemical, pesticides, fluoride and heavy metal, lead, cadmium, mercury and arsenic contamination can occur due to environmental pollution or presence of chemicals and heavy metals in soil and water in endemic areas. Adulteration could be intentional or incidental and can adversely affect the nature, substance and quality of foods. It can be due to addition, removal, abstraction, substitution or modification of a food item. Adulteration may make the food unsafe or substandard. It may happen at any stage of food production, processing and handling, from farm to plate. How do we select safe food? Selection of safe food is the first step to ensure a healthy and good quality diet. Food items purchased from reliable sources increase the chances of getting good quality and fresh food. Food should be free from infestation, molds and foreign matter, like rodent excreta and insect remains. It should be free from artificial colors. Some prepackaged foods carry certification marks assuring good quality and purity. For example, a mark on some agricultural products like oils, spices, atta and honey, etc., and Bureau of Indian Standards (ISI) mark on additives like food colors and bottled drinking water. Vegetable cooking oils. There is a risk of adulteration when fats/oils are purchased loose from unsealed containers. Therefore, it is always safer to purchase from a reliable source. Milk and milk products, butter, ghee and khova should be purchased from reliable sources only. It is advisable to buy pasteurized milk only. Spices. Since powdered spices are more likely to be adulterated, whole spices, uniform in color, size and shape should be preferred. Always buy certified products. Fruits and vegetables that are discolored, physically damaged, shrunken, bruised or wilted and decayed with visible evidence of insects and molds should be avoided. Eggs should be fresh and free from cracks. Meat, poultry, fish must be examined for their characteristic color, odor and texture and should be purchased fresh or frozen. Freshness of fish is indicated by a stiff body, bright, clear and bulging eyes, reddish gills, tight scales and absence of stale odor or discoloration. Fresh fish will not show any pitting on finger pressure. What are the best practices of storage? Food grains should be dried adequately and stored in airtight containers to protect them from moisture and to prevent damage from microbes like bacteria and toxin-producing molds. Rodent attacks and the presence of insects and microbes render the foods unsafe. Frequent and careful disinfestation of food storage areas is essential. Some traditional household practices, such as placing dried neem leaves in storage bins, are known to prevent some infestations. If left at room temperature, reheat thoroughly before consuming. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.